Welcome to an IBM Cognos Express mid-sized business analytics success story video. In this video, IBM and Predictive Solutions, an IBM Premier Business Partner, speak with Jay Krishnamurthy, Vice President of IT in JB Poindexter Company Incorporated, a diversified global manufacturing company with subsidiaries engaged in transportation and industrial products. Recently, JB Poindexter decided to upgrade their diverse and separate business intelligence systems by implementing IBM Cognos Express and utilizing Predictive's services, and have already seen remarkable results, including annual hardware and software savings of $75,000, over 100% productivity increases from their businesses, and 200% reduction in reporting, giving management at JB Poindexter & Company more time to make critical business decisions regarding product line costs and margins and forecasting. Let's listen as Jay candidly describes the company's challenges.
This company, JB Poindexter & Co., has grown through aggressive acquisitions over the past several years in addition to our organic internal growth. We have a pretty decentralized organizational structure. We have 6 different business units and a corporate team. And the 6 different business units pretty much operate autonomously. And they're in very different industry verticals, dealing with very different product lines and customers and all of that. So gaining a detailed insight into the financial and operational conditions of the business units is a very big challenge right now because they're also using different ERP systems as well. We had a pretty manual and laborious consolidation and budgeting process. Hundreds of spreadsheets, extremely time-consuming and laborious, and comparisons to actuals versus prior years, etc. Was very difficult.
JB Poindexter purchased IBM Cognos Express software and services from Predictive Solutions. Let's hear why.
And that goes a long way. You don't really need a technical background or a technical expertise to use Cognos. It's got great financial performance management tools. It's got great dashboarding solutions. The reporting in Cognos Express is awesome. The scorecarding, the planning, the budgeting, all of our processes work very well with Cognos. And I think, from a general perspective, after being in the industry and using a lot of BI solutions, the total cost of ownership, of Cognos Express in terms of just the purchase, the installation, and the implementation is probably one of the lowest I've seen.
IBM Cognos Express has also led to other business improvements, including empowering end users with reporting abilities as well as allowing management to forecast risks and react accordingly.
They are now able to feel the pulse of the business in near real time. Look at good performers, look at underperformers, look at where there are major issues, risks, and address them in a timely manner than they've ever been able to in the past. And so actually we're landing up having a part of the reason we're going to land up having a fantastic year this year is our ability to look at information in the future and act today.
In fact, not only is JB Poindexter saving significantly by reducing unnecessary yearly hardware fees, they are also significantly increasing productivity.
So we've seen increased cost savings, at least 50 to 75K just in hardware and software. We've seen at least 100 to 125% increase in productivity, and we've been able to cut down the times that we used to spend in manual and laborious processes, because now we have automated calculations, automated consolidations, and automated flash reports and so on. We're able to deliver a better application to end users. I think the percent increase there is easily over 200%.
The story gets particularly interesting here as Jay describes JB Poindexter's positive relationship with Predictive, including their helpful guidance and wealth of technology expertise.
Predictive Solutions has been known for its strong expertise and delivery capabilities in business intelligence solutions and services. In our case, Predictive deployed well-tenured, professional, and knowledgeable Cognos consultants who worked with our internal team and delivered a solution that we're all quite pleased with. In fact, the project ended up, at least the phase one of the project, has ended up being both ahead of the planned schedule and right on budget. Now, from a customer service standpoint, I should tell you their customer service has been exemplary. Their leadership was involved in the project from day one, and they participated in every key project management meeting, and they ensured the resource quality was high, performance was high, and they made every effort to make sure we received the appropriate delivery team.
That wraps up today's video. Thank you to J. Krishnamurthy, JB Poindexter & Company, and Predictive Solutions, an IBM Premier Business Partner.